And here's a quick unboxing video of the Brew Mastergraph watch. The watch ships in a very sturdy rectangular box, and I'm going to just cut open the sticker over here. So we finally managed to cut open the label. This thing is really well secured. There's a thank you note from Jonathan, the owner of the brand, Brew Watch Company. Thank you, Jonathan. And of course, now we see the watch. Securely wrapped in bubble wrap. Superb. And now we come to the watch itself. Again, wrapped nicely in nicely printed packaging. It states all the specifications of the watch: stainless steel construction, dimensions of the watch, movement type, leather strap, and 50 meters water resistance. So opening the inner box reveals another watch sleeve or watch drawer, and here you can see the watch itself. It's really nice packaging from the company. Again, you've got the paperwork here, and now we come to the watch itself, the Brew Mastergraph, and this is in copper dial color. It's a really beautiful watch. We'll go to a full review very soon. Stay tuned. I'll see you soon.